This video will walk you through the use of the CIK Single Tank Installation Kit. These directions are specific to the FS1 FS4 Salt-Free Water Softener. The provided Pro-Lock connectors will tie into the pre-filter housing, and the connectors will tie the pre-filter into your tank and the tank into your home. Please note that this kit is designed for tanks that have the red bypass valves. Please note that this video is specific to the FS1 FS4 Salt-Free Water Softener. If you're attempting to install the CF1 CF4 whole house filter, a different video is available for that. The parts included in this kit will include a Pro-Lock male connector, a Pro-Lock stem connector, and two 24-inch clack-to-slip connectors. In addition, the following supplies are recommended: 1 roll of plumber's tape, and a bottle of pipe dope. We will begin by installing the Pro-Lock male connector, but first we must prepare the threads. Begin by applying plumber's tape to the threads. And to ensure there are no leaks, you can follow up by applying pipe dope. The Pro-Lock male connector will need to be threaded into the incoming side on the pre-filter housing. Insert the threads and fully tighten by hand. A wrench will then be required to fully tighten the connection. The slip connector will then be prepared by first applying plumber's tape. This will also be followed by an application of pipe dope. Thread the slip connector onto the outcoming side of the pre-filter housing and then fully tighten. For the next step, ensure that the locking ring on the male connector is loose. The incoming pre-plumb will then be seated into this connection. Fully insert the pipe, and then you will rotate the locking ring on the male connector all the way until it locks in place. Go ahead and pull on the connection to ensure that there is no movement. The slip connector from one of the 24-inch corrugated pipes will now be slid onto the slip connection that's on the other side of the pre-filter housing. Go ahead and tug on the connection to make sure that it's seated. The corrugated pipes are designed to be bent. Please note that the MNPT fittings provided with your tanks will not be required when using this kit. The clack connectors will tie directly into your bypass valves. Before connecting the pre-filter housing to the tank, identify the inlet. The O-ring on the connector will then be inserted into the opening on the bypass valve. Once seated, fully tighten the collar to secure it in place. The other connector will now be introduced. Insert it into the outgoing connection on the first tank. Fully tighten the collar to secure it in place. The slip connector on the other end will then tie into your pre-plumb that leads into your home. Congratulations, the installation is now complete.